3 tips you need for creative problem solving. If you want new results, you have to seek new solutions to old problems. We as humans are progressing day by day, and so are our problems. Even the recent experience of the pandemic led to solutions such as hybrid learning technology for education, new ways of staying connected, and so much more. This is the basis of creative problem solving, a skill that makes you stand apart if you want to excel in your personal or professional life. No clue about how to use creative problem solving in your own life? Follow these 3 tips suggested by experts at the Harvard Business School. Number 1. Reframe problems as questions. Instead of viewing problems as roadblocks, see them as opportunities to use your creativity. Instead of saying, "We cannot do anything to increase our company's engagement," say, "What else can we do to increase our company's engagement?" When you reframe your thinking, you open up the possibilities to see new solutions. Number 2. Don't be too quick to reject any idea. Telephones, cars, radio, painkillers, computers. Do you know what all of these have in common? These are all creative solutions that were initially rejected. But can you imagine a life now without any of these inventions? Most creative solutions never see the light of day because they are rejected for being too outlandish or unreasonable. This is why you shouldn't be too quick to reject an absurd idea. It might just be the next great invention. Number 3. Yes, and? This single statement can be the key to your creative problem. How many times have you had a great idea, but you stopped working on it thinking no, but? When we start thinking out of the box, our brain enters this no, but thinking and lists everything that could possibly go wrong. By saying yes and, you explore an idea further from all possible answers and keep tweaking till you reach the right answer. Have you ever used these tips for creative problem solving? Let us know about creative solutions in the comments section down below. Subscribe to No Clue and stay tuned for more.